Hey now, my name is Chuck Fresh and I'm a 20-plus year national voiceover artist. Yes, I do this for a living. I've been on the radio, on TV, and movies and the whole deal, whatever. I used to teach voiceover classes, but it's so frustrating to break into voiceover these days. I just feel terrible for new voiceover artists. So for free, I wanted to pass on my most helpful 15 voiceover tips that help me make full-time income as a voiceover dude. So strap in, here we go. Number 1. Create auditions with the best audio quality you can. If you don't have a booth, record in a closet. Hanging clothes do a great job canceling noise and echoes. I've recorded in my car before. If casting directors or producers hear fan noise echoes, basketballs bouncing, garbage trucks or whatever, it's over. If your space is noisy and you can't do much else, turn up your voice and turn down the mic and edit the volume between lines to make it sound quiet. Number 2. Don't overspend on equipment. Mics don't matter as much as the room. I've done national radio commercials on an iPhone mic. Producers can do miracles. Just avoid the noise. Number 3. As much as your trainer drilled slating into your head, just don't. They can see your name on the pay-to-play website or on your MP3 file name. Slating or saying your name and where you're from or whatever are noise producers today because they have to sit through your cutesy little slate before getting to your audition. If they have hundreds of auditions to listen to, guess which ones will get skipped?
Number 4, be available anytime. We host a Travel Channel show, so we're filming on cruises a lot. So I have a mobile setup. Basically, it's a shotgun mic to reduce extraneous noise in unprepped rooms. A Shure small bus-powered MVX2U analog to digital converter that connects via USB to whatever. And, you want a computer or a smartphone or something without any fan noise. Amazon links in the description.
Number 5. Learn to act. Like everything, you can learn it on YouTube. You need to avoid sounding like you're reading. Reading sounds like, well, reading. It's boring. Just make it sound like you're talking to your best buddy.
Number 6. Don't pay hundreds of dollars to have a demo reel produced. No one listens to them. No one has the time. If a reel is requested, do a custom demo instead. Number 7. When haggling price, press your client and ask for the budget. There is always a budget. Say, if you're doing a commercial for Dodge, don't agree to allow broadcast usage in perpetuity. People make a lot of money from residuals. I just got a check today for $250 bucks for something I recorded months ago. Exceptions are animation and video game voice acting, e-learning, books, corporate media, and other recordings that need to have a more permanent shelf life. You usually get paid a little bit more up front for a buyout.
Number 8, don't record the entire script for an audition. Don't waste an hour recording and editing an ad script because they won't listen to the whole thing. Or worse, some seedy foreigner will actually use your demo as the final product without paying for it. And you'll probably never know. Record 30 seconds or so. If they want more, they'll let you know.
Number 9. Limit the number of revisions you will include as part of your original fee. I usually offer 1 round to noobs, maybe 2 for established clients. After that, charge for revisions. Don't let your client change or add words to the script without paying you for it. I don't allow script changes after my first read, but you make your own rules. Number 10. Be friendly, but stay professional. This is a job, so keep that in mind. And never talk about or post about politics, religion, or anything else potentially inflammatory on your socials. You never know which way a client swings or who they know. Number 11. Have water, lemonade, or tea ready. Avoid sodas, creamy stuff, or vodka, because that stuff gums up your mouth. Most producers won't let any liquids into studios. And pee before your session. Number 12. If you're connecting to a studio remotely via Source Connect, ISDN, or whatever, always use a direct Ethernet connection. It's always a more reliable choice that will work, rather than Wi-Fi. And connect a few minutes early to check the line. And don't be surprised if your client's already there, and have your script ready just in case he wants to start early. Oh, and having something to take notes with always helps.
Number 13. On live reads or auditions, come in cool. Never try to own the room and impress them with your amazing voice skills. Producers and clients hate that. Just start casual and read the room. Be polite and professional.
Number 14. Don't feed the monster. Training AI voice gigs are low pay and bad for you and everyone.
And number 15, finally, most importantly, don't get frustrated. You'll probably do hundreds of auditions before you book a job. Even at my level, that doesn't change. And I can't prove this, but sometimes it sure feels like some of the pay-to-play websites create fake auditions to keep you thinking they're really busy. So there's that. No matter what, auditioning frequently improves your chances of booking something, and it's great practice. Hopefully these tips help. Drop a like and a sub if you found it helpful. And drop your tips below. And check out all my other voiceover tips and tricks on this channel. And happy voicing.
So, you're the voiceover guy?
Yes, sir. That'd be me.
Your parents must be so proud. All right, let's get this audition started.
Oh, I guess I didn't realize this was an audition. I thought the job was already booked.
You think we're gonna hire just anyone for a spot like this? We're changing lives here.
It's a Subway commercial.
All right, let's get this over with. Can you do, I don't know, just the typical movie trailer voice guy? Go ahead. You know,
Sure.
deep and dramatic, all profound and shit like that. Go ahead.
Of course. Just one moment.
Jesus, you know we got another guy shortlisted.
All right, I'm ready. In a world of hunger, in a land of hanger, in a time of lunch.
No. You're giving va-va-voom. I need like shabam. You know what I'm saying?
I'm sorry, what? I don't think I'm following.
Listen, Golden Pipes, I don't know how I could be any more clear.
Okay, maybe I could do it in a documentary style, maybe. Like, there was a large man on a long break who couldn't seem to find something to satisfy his hunger.
No. Still too much. Another notch or two down. Go ahead.
Like, I don't know, maybe a rom-com, something like that?
Oh, yeah. Do it like a trailer for, oh, God. What's that rom-com? The really funny one, Oh, yeah. Gone Girl. That's it. Go ahead.
Yeah, I don't think that's a rom-com. I'm talking like, in a sea of fast food choices, Bob knew there had to be something better. No?
Now, how about a kid's movie? Like all that happy bullshit. Try that.
I don't think this next part of the script is meant to be in here.
Look, Sally, I don't need your input. You're getting paid to read from a piece of paper. My 9-year-old niece could do this job.
Okay. To-do list. Make sure to ask Google, when does a cold sore officially become herpes?
What the? Whoa, Sunshine. Hey, we don't need to keep going.
But I get paid to read, right? Like this next line. Call doctor about frequent bedwetting.
Okay, that's enough. You got the job. You're hired, all right? Now get out of here.
Well, great. Thanks. Look forward to working with you.